Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P Fire, aka P's and Q's, aka P equals MC squared. And yeah, this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Today I got a little something different. I'm going to the sale shop. I popped there yesterday. Not the sale shop, but there's a sale popping off in the ends in Hackney. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do some extra filming, and then yeah, man's will upload it. And there's a couple days left, so if anyone's looking, hopefully the video will help you know if you want to go cop some bits. You know what I mean? Tell them, Liam, our kids, tell them. And yeah, I'll check you on the flip side. You already know how we do this. Peace, gang. I'm just gonna take you through some bits. Nice, alright, bro. Nice ghost piece. I don't know if they've actually got the ghost badges. Let's see. Little badge on there. Actually got the badge, the special process. $2.50. Tank shield, ghost. There's the ghost piece I've just done. Let's find out if it comes with a badge. Got like polos and things. Trying to find the overshot, but I think they've all gone. Got some sweat. I think what's that? The dust. Reversible. Got some kids bits. That's the CP kids bits. Got Stoney as well. They even got little kids jeans. That's dope. How much are they doing? Oh, I think the jeans are 35. Interesting. I wonder if I get the kids some bits. Got a bunch of stuff for kids. Which is dope. Alright, let me have a look at some bits and I'll be back. I've got some proper dope bits for the kids, man. Look, reflectives. David TCs. Oh, that looks like one. They need these in the big people stuff. That's heavy. Little marina. Nice. That's dope. Thing is, these are worth buying, but at these prices. But they're gonna grow up out of them, so you really want to buy the size they're at. But their stuff for kids. Look, imagine. So, more jacket bits like that, reflective. That's dope. But no one wears capes, do they? Unless they're at the festival. Sorry, mate. Nah, cool, brother. I'd have that. I'd definitely have that. But they got some nice stuff, but nothing I'm crazy about at the moment. Nothing I must have. Pardon my camera work. This is why you need a second person. Little shirt neck there. Oh, that's nice. What's that? It's about 130 maybe. Pretty nice.
You scanning it, or is it you actually taking it?
Oh no, I'm filming. Yeah, I got a little YouTube channel. Okay. Oh, do you work here?
Yeah.
Oh, same. Okay, yeah, I did ask up front. No. Cheers, man. Before I get kicked out. Yeah, that's nice. Little leather piece there. See? Got some nice little buttons there. That's dope. Flimsy hood though. What's the point of that? That's pretty nice. Bit jazzy. Red carpet thing. It's actually pretty nice. Nice.
Like I say, anything else,
Lots of jumpers, CP stuff.
I can help anyway, I can.
Lots of jumpers. Price list on the floor. That's really nice. It doesn't have a badge though, but it's a Supima. What's that? Water repellent. Supima, very nice. Let me step back so you can see it. Very nice, very nice. We've got a lot of CP company polos, different colours. I'm looking for stuff to sell and I'm not really in the market for polos at the moment, or tees. Trackies. Kids are winning. Yep. Best stuff for the kids. If you want all your kids to be fly. And the prices are actually not too bad. We've got some really dope kid stuff. £20 accessories, trousers 35, jackets. What are jackets? I can't see, but good prices anyway. I've got these beige, might pick these up for the nephew or the godson. Yeah, they got some nice bits here, some trousers and stuff. Feet. Hahaha. much stuff today. Yesterday there was definitely more bits and bobs. A bit sparse, look, empty space, empty space. Yeah, not much today. Kids is still winning. It's all about the kids stuff. Kids stuff is winning. Kids got bare stuff. Kids got bare of this. Bare of it for them. Little selective bits. Little jeans and that for the kiddies. But yeah, all the big adult stuff is gone. Food check, food check. Little bits and bobs. Price list for the juniors. Bit sparse today. Got a couple little bits. But all the best stuff is gone. And look, all the stuff with the badges has gone well. I've still got some shadow stuff with badges. Yeah, still got the badges there. But yeah, man ain't really trying to pick that up. You know what I'm saying? We got some little CP bits. It's all alright. That's nice. Cardigan. Who's that guy? It's only me. That's dope. No alligator printage. It's kind of cute.
They've got no toppers.
Alright. I'm good. I'm heading out. Let's just get the queue. Get the queue, get the queue. If you're supposed to be at work, hide your face. I'm gonna be honest, you lot should come back tomorrow.